you are going to get a unlimited Gmail account without a phone number. So what you need to do right now, you need to come to this empty search bar here. When you get here, you need to write a Google Cloud SQL boost. When you put that one, just allow it to boost. Just the thing has boosted now. So the first one URL I made here is what you are going to click on, which is a Google Cloud Escape Boost. You click on this one. When you click on this one, you're going to put your Gmail here. So you are saying here, this is my Gmail here. So when you are putting your Gmail here, the next thing now, just need to do right now, just need to click explore. When you click explore, it's going to bring you down here. When you bring you down here, you're going to see the badge arrow drop down, format arrow drop down, label arrow drop down. So the one you are going to click now, you click format arrow drop down. You click on this one. When you click on that one, you are going to see three format here: course, lab, learning part. You click on the lab. When you click on lab, it's going to bring you to this page here. You're going to see using the BigQuery, Big Lake, a tool of Google Cloud sustainability. So you click on a tool of Google Cloud sustainability. You click on this one. When you click on this one, you're going to see by your left-hand side that Start Lab. When you click on this Start Lab, it's going to give you the Gmail and password and the project here. You click on this one. When you click on this one now, he's going to ask you that, are you a robot? Or you are not a robot. I'm not a robot. You click on this. When you click on this one now, so the thing is going to start working. So you can see here right now, it's now, you can see here there's putting a username here. It's putting password here. It's a project ID here. So what we now need to do right now, you need to go to the next Google search bar you put here. When you get here, just put a YouTube, youtube.com. Put a youtube.com there. When you put a youtube.com there, just allow it to come to roll down. Hope you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, what I want you to do right now, just to give me a like. And peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time, I will want you to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, be the first person to be notified. So what we now need to do right now. So, and if also you are enjoying this video, I will also want you to go to the comment section that more of a Gmail account without a phone number. So you need to click this one. Well, let's click this one. When you click this one right now, so you can see here right now, you are putting a YouTube here right now. So it asks you to sign in. So you click on here. When you click here, account you generated here, you put it here. So the next thing now you need to do now, you click next. When you click next here right now, it's going to ask you for the password. So you need to go back here. This is the password here. You click on this one. Then you come back here. Then you put it here. Then you put next. Let's see. You can now see here right now that it's now saying that, see what it wrote here. Welcome to your new account. So, welcome to your new account and blah, blah, blah. So the next thing you need to do right now, you need to click I understand. When you click I understand, so let it finish rolling. So you can see that this is just your YouTube right here now. So this is now your YouTube here. So meaning that we have created another YouTube account. It means that this account is working. So I want to believe that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, what I want you to do for me right now, just give me a like and give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And once again, Peradventure, you are watching this channel for the first time and you have not subscribed. What I want you to do right now, just subscribe, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So on this note, if you have any question you want me to do a video for you on this channel, just go to the comment section of this video, put your questions there, and when I see those questions, I'm going to do justice to them. So I love you, and I meet you in my